Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I've looked and looked and I can't find another way. I thought for a little bit it'd be easier just to go to select what you have left over of your fly, go up to Edit, Find and Replace, Find Objects, begin a new search, Fills, Uniform Fills, and then start picking your blacks. And we'll have to move this over a little bit and actually zoom in here. I don't think it'll let me zoom now. But grab your eyedropper tool and go until you see there's a yellow and there's a black 5. So let's use black 5. Finish, find all, and then I would X out of there and then move over to the right. Make your box a little bigger just in case you messed up. And there's a bunch of specks of black 5. But really and truly, there's not that many, and then you could select them all and move them back to your real fly. And I think that's going to be good enough. There's a few in there that you could go and just use your pick tool, and I've still got my nudge distance set on. Take the bigger ones. I don't know that all these are that important. Let's do one more here. And then call this good, because this fly looks really good. I think that'll work. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.